Sticking to a regular exercise routine can be tough due to weather changes, busy schedules, and expensive gym fees. The simplest way to stay fit every day is by including walking or jogging in a workout. Treadmills offer a practical solution, letting you stay active easily at home, addressing the challenges you might face. Treadmills for Home changed the fitness game by letting people work out when and where they want. They were introduced to overcome issues like bad weather and lack of time. This shift made home treadmill workouts popular for their simplicity and effectiveness. In this video, I have listed 5 best treadmills designed for home use in 2024. These treadmills not only cater to the basic need for cardiovascular exercise, but also come equipped with various workout programs and entertainment features to keep you motivated throughout your fitness journey. I have provided links below to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video, ensuring that you can easily explore and choose the treadmill that aligns with your fitness goals and preferences. Let's get started. Number 5. Goplus 2-in-1 Treadmill. This treadmill is best compact design, offering both walking and running modes. It's perfect for working out while working or meeting daily fitness goals at home or the office. The foldable feature is impressive, reducing its thickness to just 5 inches. Easy to store under the sofa or bed, and it comes with transport wheels for convenient room-to-room movement. The 39.3-inch by 16-inch non-slip running belt with 5-layer construction and 8 shock absorbers ensures a comfortable and knee-friendly exercise. The sturdy metal frame supports up to 265 pounds. For added convenience, the treadmill features a smart app for global workouts, a remote control for easy operation, and an LED display showing time, speed, distance, and calories. Powered by a quiet 2.25 HP motor, this treadmill won't disturb your surroundings. It also includes a mobile phone holder, Bluetooth speaker, and adjustable foot pads for a tailored experience. Assembling required for this 73-pound white treadmill made of metal and ABS. Number 4. Urevo Foldable Treadmill. Looking for best reliable treadmill? Check out this Urevo treadmill. It's from Urevo, made of durable alloy steel weighing 71 pounds. This walking pad treadmill boasts auto incline with 9 levels. Just press a button on the remote control for automatic elevation. Connect it to the Urevo app for easy customization of your workout goals, time, distance, or calories. The Spacewalk 3S treadmill has a stable frame structure, different from the typical 2-point incline design. At only 6.5-inch tall, it's easy to store under your sofa or bed. Move it effortlessly with front wheels and a portable handle. Powered by a robust 2.5 HP motor, it runs quietly from 0.6 to 4.0 miles per hour. Ideal for adults, it's a convenient and efficient under-desk walking treadmill for jogging, walking, or running. Number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 722022. This treadmill is my pick for best feature-packed workout at home. Clocking in at 110.2 pounds, it's sturdy and built with alloy steel for durability. The sleek black design adds a touch of sophistication to your space. The brushless motor ensures a smooth, quiet run, mimicking the feel of solid ground. What sets it apart is the 12 auto-incline levels. With just a button touch, customize your workout challenge. The digital monitor keeps you on track, displaying calories, distance, pulse, speed, and time. Pulse sensors provide real-time heart rate data for tailored workouts. The SunnyFit app takes your fitness journey to the next level. Access 1,000+ workout videos, engage with expert trainers, and track your metrics in real time. It's a game changer for adults looking for convenient home use. The compact, slim fold design, USB charge port, and Bluetooth compatibility make it a well-rounded choice. Safety is paramount with the emergency stop clip, ensuring an immediate halt. Grab your favorite beverage from the bottle holder and enjoy a comprehensive workout experience with the Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill. Number 2. Nordic Track Commercial 1250 Treadmill. I recommend this treadmill as my choice for the best high-end treadmill. With its 10 HD tilt and pivot touchscreen, you can easily stream iFit workouts directly to the treadmill. The treadmill supports speeds up to 12 miles per hour and inclines from -3% to 15%. The Auto Adjust feature allows iFit trainers to change your speed and incline in real time to match the workout. The 30-day iFit Family membership is included, offering live and on-demand workouts with global workouts and studio classes. The active pulse training is available for heart rate zone targeting, and the dual auto breeze fans adjust with workout intensity. The Treadmill has a 300-pound total weight capacity and features a folding space-saver design for reduced footprint. With a sturdy alloy steel construction, this Treadmill comes with a 10-year frame warranty, 2-year parts warranty, and 1-year labor warranty. This Nordic Track Treadmill provides a premium fitness experience with top-notch features. Number 1. Horizon Fitness T101. And this is my top choice for the best overall treadmill. It is made of durable aluminum, weighing in at 180 pounds. Perfect for adults seeking a reliable workout companion at home. What sets it apart? Well, it can reach a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour, powered by a 2.5 horsepower motor. But what I love most is its foldable design, great for smaller spaces. In fact, it takes just 30 minutes to set up. The controls are simple with intuitive, easy dial technology for incline and speed adjustments. Need entertainment? Sync your device via Bluetooth to the integrated speakers. Oh, and don't forget the water bottle holder. But what truly impresses is the variable response cushioning deck, providing support for every stride. And it's ultra quiet, thanks to a motor that runs at lower RPMs, ensuring long-lasting performance. So, for a reliable, easy-to-use treadmill with cool extras, this Horizon Fitness treadmill is a solid choice. And of course, it comes with a user manual to guide you through. So, there you have it, your ultimate guide to the best treadmills for home in 2024. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting your wellness journey, these top picks have got you covered. Now it's time to take the next step toward your fitness goals. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If this guide has been helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it with your fitness buddies, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay in the loop with all our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy running!